Introducing August Doorbell Cam Pro, a smart doorbell that lets you see and speak with visitors right from your phone. The August Doorbell Cam features a full HD camera and built-in floodlight, so you can see your guests at night.
Hey, it's me.
I'm sorry, I'm running late. Let me let you in.
The August Doorbell Cam connects to any August smart lock, so you can remotely unlock and lock the door for guests. Now you can control and monitor your front door from anywhere. As soon as motion is detected, the floodlight will activate, always a natural deterrent for unwanted guests. And you'll receive an instant alert on your phone, so you can see or speak to whoever's there. If you missed the live video, don't worry. August video recording and hindsight technology captures every activity from the beginning to the end and stores it for free in the app for up to 24 hours. August Doorbell Cam works in any home with an existing wired doorbell, available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Hi, Jim.
Wait, you can see me?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep.
Can you see me now?
Yep. And it's so clear I can also see that mustard stain.
Don't miss a thing with Remo Bell S, one of the widest fields of view and fastest responding doorbells in the industry.
Can you see me now?
Poor Jim.
Greet your guests, monitor your home, and secure your loved ones with the easy-to-use Remo Bell S.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
They say home is where the heart is. But most of the time, you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivery for Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home, even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
All right.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home.
In this video, we will take you through the key features of the WiseNet SmartCam D1 Video Doorbell. Face recognition. Know who's at your doorstep with instant face recognition. If you have previously saved your visitors to Interested Face, you'll receive an alert upon their arrival showing their name and profile image, meaning you will know who is ringing your doorbell. It is recommended to always check the live footage for your safety. Wondering how the SmartCam D1 is able to detect your visitors? Let's find out how the Interested Faces are set up in the SmartCam Plus app. First, to increase accuracy, you can merge multiple profile pictures of the same person. To do this, simply click User icon on the top right in the app's main dashboard, then select the profile pictures you want to merge. To assign the profile as an Interested Faces, drag the profile picture to the Interested Faces section. Then, click on the profile picture to set their name. Want to delete a profile? Easy. Simply click on the bin icon and then select the visitor you wish to remove. Once selected, click Delete. Human detection and motion zone selection. As a default setting, SmartCam D1 sends all notifications when human movement is detected. To set a custom motion zone, go to the settings. Choose Events and click Motion Zone under Human Detection. Here, you can customize the motion zone to fit right into your front door area. When human movement is detected within the motion zone selected, an alert will be sent to your phone. The SmartCam D1 detects only human behavior by distinguishing animals such as birds or cats from human activity. Optimize View. The SmartCam D1 is equipped with a 2-megapixel high-resolution video camera with 150 degrees diagonal viewing angle, delivering you a clear picture every time. And unlike the conventional 16:9 ratio, the SmartCam D1 uses 4:3 ratio optimized view, making it ideal for those tall friends, even if they stand just a foot away from the doorbell. Abnormal sound detection. The SmartCam D1's adjustable sound classification feature can be adapted to your preferences. To change your preference, go to the settings and then choose Events. When the SmartCam D1 detects abnormal sounds, it will override your logged settings to ensure you're notified of potentially dangerous situations. Should anything out of the ordinary occur, you will be alerted immediately. Cloud-based playback. The SmartCam D1 comes with an option of cloud-based playback functionality. You can watch the archived recordings through the SmartCam Plus app. Free cloud storage of all events is available for the first 15 days. Once the free trial period is over, head to www.mysmartcamcloud.com and choose the subscription package best suited for you. Do not disturb mode. Sometimes you'll want to pause the notification system, like when your kids are playing in the front yard. In these instances, simply turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, which gives you peace and quiet for up to 2 hours with no alerts. Wireless chime with SmartCam A1. The SmartCam D1 can be linked to a SmartCam A1 station hub to be used as a wireless chime. When your visitor rings, the SmartCam A1 and your doorbell will chime simultaneously. Hello Remo. Remo is the built-in intelligence that helps you optimize your use of SmartCam D1. For example, if you don't assign any interested faces, Remo will let you know with a personalized message for an improved SmartCam D1 experience tailored to you. Customize your doorbell's faceplate. Personalize your SmartCam D1 with 3 faceplates to choose from. Wearable device notifications. The SmartCam Plus app also works on your Android or Apple Watch, so you won't miss a single thing. SmartCam D1 Video Doorbell. Know who is at your doorstep. WiseNet. Hanwha Techwin.